everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to solve the practice problem binary representation. So first, let us understand the question and then we will solve it. So let's start. Basically, in this question, binary representation, we will be given a number. Let's take 2. So we need to convert it into its binary form. Okay, and that would be the output. Okay, so this is what we have to do, and for this we will be using built-in functions of Python. So we would be using bin, that is a built-in function of Python, to convert a given value into binary form. In it we would be applying OB. OB is for binary representation of a string. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear that we would be using inbuilt functions of Python to solve this question in one line. So let's start. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to practice section. In practice section, in difficulty, you need to choose school, and after that you need to find the question binary representation. Okay, once you find it, you need to click on solve. Now let's read the question. Write a program to print binary representation of a given number n. Okay, and you need to code it over here. Okay, so let's start. So I will just do it in one line. Return, after return bin of what? You need to do it for n. Okay, dot, what do you need to do? You need to replace something. What do you need to replace? You need to replace 0 b by what? You need to replace it by 0 and then multiply. You need to add those zeros in the end. Okay, so for that 32 minus len bin of n. Okay, so basically you need to replace some part. Instead of 0b, you need to add the zeros. Okay, zeros would be according to the representation, the number that you are representing. Okay, so basically instead of 0b, you would be adding this. That is why I have used replace. Okay, so you need to add the zeros, and this is directly applying the binary function. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. And now to check if it is correct or not, I will click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I will submit the problem. 1 minute. Let's wait. So my problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem binary representation. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.